I hope we've kind of made the case that verifying identities, there's no one straight, easy all method. It's like a puzzle, and some puzzles need to be worked. Some puzzles you get lucky the first try. Some it just takes persistence. So here's some general guidelines that I want you to think about as you're trying to verify identities. Basically, you want to work each side independently. Remember, we're not solving an equation here, we're verifying an identity. So one suggestion is solve each side independently, and usually begin with the harder side, the more complicated side, and maybe that will help kind of jar it loose. As you go, always look for identities to apply along the way. So be comfortable with your identities. Have those nearby. Always look back and refer to those, and with practice, you'll start to see some that may help more than others. The third thing, well, try any of the following types of ideas. Look for opportunities to rewrite identities in terms of sines and cosines. Second one, you're going to use your greatest common factor at some time. Third idea, break apart fractions or combine fractions. Fourth, maybe you can combine some fractional components by using the least common denominator. 5, another one is, remember, sometimes you might use a binomial factor. So if you see a binomial factor on the other side, maybe you can use it on your side to help, again, move you forward. And then lastly, start and stop. Feel free to repeat. Do over again. Scratch it. Begin. Don't be afraid to finish it the direction you went. Maybe it's just the best thing is just to stop and start over. Again, these are general guidelines, and they're not going to get easier to solve or verify these identities without practice. So please, please practice and practice and practice. And only with practice will you start making some better decisions along the way or start to see some solutions earlier on in the problem.